Hello, I'm Tom Perez with AWRS Wheel Repair. I want to take a couple minutes of your time. The staple of our business for the past 10 years has been mobile wheel repair, of which we still do, but now we have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility with drive-up capabilities here in Blue Springs, Missouri. Some of the things we offer out of our facility are powder coating, custom colors of wheels, wheel straightening, welding, machining, nationwide warranty, 48-hour turnaround time, and if it can't be done in our shop, it can't be done.